Sabe mis sentimientos, siente mi amor. No me dejes sufrir, mamá, quita mi dolor.
Alright, so today we're out here in the Florida Keys checking out this abandoned mansion. We were on the way to 7 Mile Bridge and noticed the structure still standing here today, so I knew we had to make a quick stop to check this place out. The last time I was out here was around 2012, and the place still looks the same for the most part. Apparently the owner had the home built and began developing the property, but it was never completed due to financial problems, leading to its eventual abandonment. What's left of it is nothing more than a hollow shell of what was supposed to be an Oceanside mansion in the Florida Keys.
This was Craig Key's only home on the entire island for a really long time, but on my recent visit to the island I noticed a few more developments also sitting abandoned for now.
Por tu amor me muero y te voy a esperar, porque yo te necesito y siempre te voy a amar. Siempre te voy a amar, díselo.
Which begs a question, why hasn't this property been purchased and brought back to life?
No me dejes solo.
Well, according to records, the lot across the island was sold back in 2020 for $8.6 million. And new developments began on the opposite side of the island.
No hay más sin ti, no. No hay más sin ti.
However, I noticed that the lot was back up for sale during our visit. Now, I'm not entirely sure if any part of this island is back on the market.
But it makes you wonder, why does all remain unfinished on the Craig Key Island?
La verdad, ay, necesito tu amor, ay, necesito tu amor, necesito tu amor. Sabe mis sentimientos, siente mi amor. No me dejes sufrir, mamá, quita mi dolor.